It's all about experience and hands-on. You really can't get anything better than this.
Pathfinder course is specifically oriented towards people that are looking to take a break.
Maybe they're at a point in their life where they don't know what to do next.
It just gives you like a brief moment in time to dissect who you are and figure out where you're going from there.
I think it's important for students to step away and look at where they are in life and where they've come from and where they want to go.
When those plans end and the unexpected happens, what are you going to do to handle those situations?
For a very long time, I have sold myself short by not trying the best I could because for whatever reason I didn't feel motivated to. After an experience like this, I get to go back and say, I went sailing off the coast of Maine for 2 weeks. Coming back from the harder experience, everything else just seems easy.
They're gonna go back thinking, well, I just did something that I didn't think I could do, and I should apply that to a lot of different things in life.
When I was at home, I realized how much this course has changed me.
It was life-changing.
It's amazing.
I have had a fantastic experience out here.
We've all become a family. Like, these guys are like my brothers.
If you want to find something that you think is inside of yourself, but you don't know how to access it or you don't know if it's there, I would definitely recommend this course.